Good morning, ninth class students. Today we will start chapter 15 Introduction to the Presentation Software. As you know, presentation means a collection of slides which is arranged in a sequential manner to convey, motivate, entertain, and to provide information. Basically, we make a presentation in a popular software known as Microsoft PowerPoint. So, to start with, first of all, we use a slide in it. It is a collection of slides. So, what is a slide here? Slide can be defined as a digital or an electronic page of a presentation. Whenever we open PowerPoint and when we the very first work, what we do is we work with slides. We create slides. We have different layouts of the slides also there, like I can show you here. This is my PowerPoint. So my default is by my title and subtitle slide layout. So this is about slide. Then what is a slideshow? Slideshow is a sequential display of slides which is shown to the audience with an objective of providing information. Now, as you all know, a presentation we have to deliver it to audience. We want to show it to the audience sitting there with the help of visual aids like projector or a LCD screen or a computer. So what we do is we just give the projection there and we run our presentation. And presentation is a collection of slides, and they can be as many number of slides. So I'll just show you my presentation here. 4 5 slides I have making here. uh, this is all These are all slides of pictures which I have made. So collectively you can see 10 or 12 slides which I have done. Now I'll start. It's slideshow. Slideshow means to run a presentation. The shortcut is F5 key. I'll just press F5 key and then my presentation will run. I can press my arrow key, or with the help of mouse click we can move to next slides. Fine, this is how we run our presentation. The shortcut key is F5 key. Then about presentation software. A presentation software is an application software which is used to create multimedia presentations. Now multimedia means that we are using audio and video in our presentation. So the most popular software which is used uh, in making presentation is of course Microsoft PowerPoint. Then is the types of softwares which we use. Okay, some of the most popular presentation softwares are: one is OpenOffice Impress. See, apart from PowerPoint, we can also make presentation in these softwares. There are 5 types. Okay, so first one is OpenOffice Impress, then Google Slides, Adobe Connect, Microsoft PowerPoint, and now OpenOffice Impress is a free and open source application. Okay, and the operating system used here is Linux or Windows. Second is Google Slides. Google Slides में भी आप अपनी presentation prepare कर सकते हो. ठीक है, online you can make your presentation. Of course, it's a part of G Suite, and the platforms where it is used: Google, Macintosh operating system, and Windows. It's written in JavaScript, and of course it is developed by Google. Then the third one is your Adobe Connect. Adobe, you have heard the name of Adobe. Basically, Adobe used for your Photoshop. Okay, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Reader. So it is Developer is Adobe system, and the operating system is Windows, Macintosh, Linux, etc. Then comes is your LibreOffice. Then comes your Microsoft PowerPoint, which you are very much aware, component of Microsoft, and its operating system is Microsoft Windows. Then, who developed Microsoft PowerPoint? It is a presentation program created by Robert Gaskins and Dennis Austin at a software company named Forethought. Then comes LibreOffice Impress. Again, this is a presentation software. LibreOffice आपने नाम सुना होगा, जैसे ओपन ऑफिस है वैसे ही आपका LibreOffice है. And programming language used here is Java, Python, C++. Then the next topic is coming up with your the components of a presentation. What components of presentation are there? A presentation can be made more interesting by adding some effects on the regular text, list items, number 2 background and title, graphical elements like clip art, shape, diagrams, 3D objects, tables. Number 4 audio videos. You can put your audios, you can insert video clippings, you can give. Number 5 transition, changes and animation effects, header, footer, date and time, and slide number. So many things you can apply in a presentation. Next coming up is uh, characteristics of a good presentation. Now this is a very important topic. What do you mean by good presentation? What a good presentation must have certain features. First of all, it should be well designed. The designing should be very nice. Presentation should be carefully framed, keeping in view the situation, audience and subject. Ki audience, what the people want to hear. Fine. And what is the situation, what is the motive, what is the agenda, what is the subject? So these points should be kept in frame while designing a PPT. Use of color themes is also a very important factor. Colors should be theme should be such like dark on light or light on dark, so contrasting should be appropriate so that the content is the graphics which you are using is um, visible to the audience. The number of lines should be limited. Lines की ज़्यादा lengthy text नहीं होना चाहिए, ज़्यादा text material नहीं होना चाहिए, just main points. So it should be catchy and easily readable for the user. Format for perfection. It has to be perfect. Use high quality graphics. Graphics should be of HD quality. Animations and videos make your PPT interesting. Keep it simple. Never make your presentation very complicated. Then correct use of grammar and language. Your grammar, language, your spellings, there should be no mistake. It should be error free. Minimize facts and figures in slides. The facts and figures should be minimum. Then edit ruthlessly and powerful first impression. The very first impression has to be very catchy and attractive. So these are the characteristics of good presentation. This was all about your first topic, first session of chapter 15, introduction to the presentation software. Thank you, students.